Online people are able to see my screen. Online people are able to see my screen. Okay, thank you. Okay, guys. So as of now, we are creating the how many ways we will create the case. Okay. For example, I have my product issue. So I want to inform to the customer care. So what is the first way? First way is through phone. I will directly call to the customer care. Then that people are creating the case. So that means the first way is through phone. I will inform to that guy. Then the customer people creating the case, right? And using that case assignment rules, it is assigned to respect to queue. We are discussing lead related case also same. Again, second one, web to lead we discussed same like web to case through web. So there is a form we will generate it and those people are entered that will be created as a case. That is called through web. So I am directly calling in that case customer care people creating the case through web to case, same like web to lead. Case will be created. So in this case, origin where the case has been created, phone, through phone. In this case, what is the source? Web. Some people are open the website and fill the form, then case has been created. Then if you see here, where it is stored, here see. If you go to any case, see case origin. Phone, web, both are covered. Now what is the final one? Email. So this is the very, very important interview question. If you have the real-time experience, you can answer this question. Okay. Those people are asking, can you tell me how many ways we will create the case? Understand? Can you tell me how many ways we will capture the case? How many ways? You can don't tell the like normal theoretical answer. Okay. So the customer calling the customer care at that time. What is that? Through phone. Case origin is phone. Through that we will create the case. Second one is what is that? The call center people, the respective site people giving the web forms. That means web to case. Through web we will create the case. What is the final one? Email to case. What is that? Email is the origin. That means I will send the email, then I will convert that email to those people will convert into the case. Now, the next concept was, what is that? Email to case. Okay. Very, 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 very important. And in the real time, very frequently we are using this concept. Okay. Now guys, see here. For example, we have a customer care. For example, see guys. A is a customer. So these people are passing the email to, for example, same Dell laptop. So Dell issue, Dell support. Dell support here. Okay. A is a guy purchasing the laptop. It is not working. Then A is already, if you go to Dell website, those people giving that Dell@supportindia.com, some email is coming, right? Using that email, you are sending the mail. Understand? For example, here, this Dell support people using the Salesforce. Why? We are in Salesforce. Okay. These people are using Salesforce. This guy entered the, what is that? Email address. Enter the email address. What is the email? For example, the Dell people are giving that email name is Del at the rate of Del India at the rate of support.com. For example, Del India support.com. This is the mail ID. So in the email, these people are adding two addresses this. And subject is my, what is that, laptop screen issue or something issue. And body. Email, what is the email, guys? Every email, two address, subject, body. So these people are entering the email address and subject and body. Now click the send button. So this is which box? This is email box. Email box. Now you are sending to Salesforce. Salesforce having the email. No, right? Salesforce is a org. Salesforce don't have email. For example, A is a person, A is sent to B. So B must be email, A must be email ID. Then only these people, what is that? Discuss with through emails. But here, what is that? If you are A guy sending the email, these Dell people are using the Salesforce.com. Okay. Now these people are first giving this Dell support people, Dell India having one mail account. This is the mail account. What is the mail account? Dell India at the rate of support.com. This is the mailbox. This is the mailbox. Okay. That means these Dell people having one mailbox. Okay. You have already mailbox. Now if you are sending the any email, that email is goes to this mailbox. Right? Same like B is a person. B is a person. B having some issue. He is using Dell India support.com mail ID and send the mail to this box. So here first mail is coming and here second mail is coming. Like the third, fourth, fifth, like that, n number of mails are come to the different customers. C is a person. He is sending the like this. Again, D is a person. He send the mail to whom? Same box. Then different customers sending the same email ID. So now, what is that? All are come as a mails to the Dell mailbox. Why? Dell India is a one mailbox. Mail to mail conversion will be possible. Right? Now, so now in the Dell side, the people are open this box. How many people are there? For example, Dell India, for example, 200 members are there, customer care people. Now the manager is open this or now the manager, for example, open this first case. Okay, this is India. This is India, or for example, this is a Dell. For example, now this is one mail ID, one mail ID. These all are whatever mail is coming, those are the cases, problems, customer problems, right? Now you need to convert the first mail to the case into the Salesforce. Why? There is no relation. Our Salesforce and this mailbox. Understand? Now here some people are come to the picture. These people, okay, first mail ID. Okay, what is the subject? Subject is some Dell screen issue. Okay, then these people are open the Dell in the first mail. Who send it? The from address. This guy. What is the name? Some A. So A is a person, account, and status is new. Case origin is email, and subject is Dell power button issue, something like that. Like that, what is that? These people are manually creating the respective cases into our Salesforce. Understand? But what is the pain? For example, here Dell India per day 1,000 emails are coming all over India. What about all over world? Understand, all over world more than 1 lakh or more than 2 lakh cases will be coming. Different people, different issues. That means in the mailbox, 2 lakhs mails are coming in all over world, then 2 lakhs will be manually created 2 lakhs cases. It's very, very difficult, right? Open the mailbox and see the subject, see the body and convert the manual case. It is very, very difficult. Understand? Now, what is my approach? My approach is, understand guys, what is the problem in this approach? As of now, online people as of now understood everybody? Offline, anybody having any questions? No? Okay. So guys, if you are converting manually every mail, it is so much of effort. Now what should I do? Very simple. Not simple. Approach. Okay. What is the approach? My approach is, this is the mailbox. This is the difference. For example, here 80 members are there. 80 members, 80 mailboxes. Right? Everybody having their own personal mail ID. Now, all the people target is creating the case in the respective Salesforce account. Right? So that is the reason. First, this is the word. This is the word. This is the Salesforce account. This is the Salesforce account. Now I will check, is there any possibility to create mail ID for Salesforce? One org related mail ID. Understand? So this org, I will create one mailbox. What is the mail? Same. SFDC support at the rate of Dell.com or something. Anything is fine. I'm creating one Dell, here Salesforce, for example. This is, what is that? If you are in email, your mail account should be the what is that? Gmail.com. Your mail is yahoo.com. Your prefix at the rate of yahoo.com. Your prefix at the rate of gmail.com. But this is whom? This is related to Salesforce. So that's the reason Salesforce mail ID must be salesforce.com at the rate of, before whatever it is, Dell or something. Dell support something. Understand? This is the domain. I will create one mail like this. I will create one mail. Then what should I do? This mail I will share to these people. This mail I will share to these people. So then what happened? If I am sending to this mail to these people, now these people, this is the Gmail, this is the Salesforce.com, but both are, I am creating the mail ID to the Salesforce. How to create, I will tell you. Now this is the mail, this is the mail. Mail should be communicate each other. Whenever this guy is using, what is the to address? For example, in this case, to address is Dell support at the rate of salesforce.com. Now this email is now directly go to whom? Our Salesforce. Understand? Now here, if I am sending the mail to someone, then that guy, where this guy will be see? Open the inbox and see the mail. But here in the Salesforce, there is no mailbox. Where did you see the mail? Understand it. For example, you are sending the mail to your friend. That guy, where to see? Open the mailbox and go to inbox. The mail entry is coming. But here, this is the Salesforce. In the Salesforce, we are creating the mail. But whenever this guy is sending the mail, where to see this mail? That is the second problem. So in that case, what should I do? Hey, here the runtime engine is there, right? I will inform to runtime engine, the Salesforce, hey Salesforce runtime engine, whenever any email is coming, please create the case. Please create the case. Whenever any mail is coming, please create the case. How? Every mail, to address is there. What is that? To address is there, subject is there, body is there. Subject is mail subject. Body is description is mail body. Origin is what is the origin? Email. That's it. That is enough as of now. Understand my approach? First understand theoretically, guys. Theoretical means the approach. Don't jump to the directly point and click. Don't go to that. First understand the overview. Then it is very easy. So I am sending the mail to Salesforce. First I will create the, what is the first step? What is the first step? First step is create mail to whom? Salesforce, SFDC, salesforce.com. Then second one, inform to who? Runtime engine. What? Convert email to case. Whatever email is coming, you can convert to case. Understand? This is what, if you are doing this, then what is the benefit? This is don't require. Right? Why? Come to email to this email box, then this email box, each and every entry, manually open it and create the Salesforce account. It is very, very difficult. It is more effort. Now, whenever this guy is in the second approach, whenever this guy is sending the email, directly it is going to Salesforce. Salesforce runtime engine convert that email to case. Then automate this process. Here, between that, there is no manual effort. Understand? Any questions? The way of approach. Anybody, any questions? If you are understand, concept is over. I need some personal mail ID. Anybody? Why I will tell you later. If you have mail with password, okay, please give me. Why? Because my mail ID shouldn't work. Everybody having mail IDs, right? Yeah, come. I will tell you. Sit here. Guys, any questions as of now? The way of approach, anybody having any questions are clear? Online people, please reply it. Everybody clear? The way of approach. How to do that? That is different. Okay, thank you. Now, guys, what is the first step we can do? What is the first step? Create the, to automate that whenever customer is sending the email, what is that? To convert that email to case. In that case, first, if you are sending the mail to whom? Salesforce. Salesforce must be having the mail ID. First, you can create the mail to whom? Your Salesforce account. Understand? So, come to here, setup. What is the concept? Email to case. Email to case. See here, this is the email box. This is the case. Why this one? The case icon is the box actually. This is the case icon. Okay. Next. See here. Email to case settings. That means we are informing to whom? Runtime engine first. First, I am doing second step. Inform to runtime engine, convert email to case. Okay. What is that? Enable email to case. Okay. Notify case owner on new email. Don't require. Enable blah 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 blah. Don't record remaining. Okay. Only you can enable this, guys. That is enough. Okay. Now in the below section, on demand service. What is on demand? Very, 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 very important. What is that? For example, here different people sending the email to our Salesforce. For example, Salesforce, I told you, Salesforce itself, there is no email functionality. Salesforce also purchasing the license from the Google. Understand why? The email functionality belongs to Google. So Salesforce purchasing the what is that? Gmail license from the whom? Google. So, for example, this is the Dell people required. What is that? Email functionality. So Dell people are saying that, hey Salesforce, per day I want 1,000 cases license. Can you please give me? Per day 1,000 means per month 30,000. So that license, that means okay, per day 1,000 emails. 1,000 emails we are charging, for example, what is that? 10,000 rupees. Okay, not per day, yearly. The subscription must be yearly, same like our Netflix something, monthly something. But Salesforce is yearly. Okay, so the Salesforce giving licenses for per day how many emails? 1,000. Important interview question. Okay, so Dell people, as per their business, taking the license from the, for example, Netflix guys or Netflix. If you are purchasing for one license for one screen, it is like 200 rupees or 300 rupees. But if you need more people, then it's 2,000, 3,000, different. What is that? What do you say? Resolution. And if you need 4K, if you need HD, different as per your, what is that, convenient, as per your requirement, those people giving the different subscriptions. Same like Dell people business is per day, these people are assuming it, okay, per day maximum we are getting 1,000 emails. So these people are asking, hey Salesforce people, per day we need 1,000 emails, maybe getting, not more than that. Based on that, you will give me the license. Salesforce will be giving the license and getting the money. So for example, what is the license of the Dell? Dell people is taking it 1,000 emails per day. That means up to 1,000 emails it will be accepting. For example, 1,000 people per day, 1,000 people sending the mails. So here 1,000 cases are created. It is email functionality. Now 1,001 guy, one more guy, same day sending the email. Then what happened? Understand? 1,000 people sending the 1,000 emails. So 1,000 emails are created. 1,000 cases are created. Why? Already Dell taking the license from the Salesforce 1,000. What about 1,001? One more guy extra sending it. Then what happened? The email will not go to Salesforce. Why? The capacity of the Dell Salesforce account 1,000. 1,001 will not accept within the same day. Understand? So then in that case, this guy, for example, this guy is a Teja. Teja is a customer. He's sending the mail to Salesforce. Then he understood what is that? He confirmed that this guy mail is sending. Whenever mail is sending, he said that okay, I'm informed to the Dell people. So one case will be maybe generated. But as per license, 1,001 is not accepted. Then he is not getting any notification. Hey, your mail is failed. Your mail is, what is that? You are sending it, but these people are not accepted. Why? Because it is a technical issue. What is the technical issue? License issue. So, but this guy didn't get any notification. Then this guy, customer will be, what about told to the Dell people? Hey, I am sending the mail, but you didn't reply it. Understand? This guy point of view, case has been created, but in the Salesforce point of view, case will not created. Why? Due to technical issue. Understand what I'm saying? So in that type of situations, we are using on-demand service. What is that? Very important interview question. On-demand service. You can explain that guy whatever I explained as it is. Don't explain like theoretical. Theoretical means notes wise. In the practical wise, you can explain that. The license, 1,000 something. But I'm telling one story, right? Same thing you can explain that, guys. Okay. Now here see, you can enable it. Same question I will ask the interview. For example, I am asking, what is that? In Salesforce, I have a 10, what is that? 1,000 licenses per day. Okay. So what I said? One of the guy sending the 1,001 mail. Then what happened? So that people are saying that what is that? It will not goes. Then but customer point of view, it is already sent. How you are informed to the customer, how the customer knows my email is reached to the Salesforce, but case has not created. So how that is the practical question. See, what is that? Scenario based question. In that case, you can tell this answer. We in the email to case, we have option called on-demand service. Within the on-demand service, you can enable it. Whenever you enable it, see, over email rate limit action. Over email rate means it is exceeded. In that case, bounce message. That guy immediately getting the bounce message. Your mail is not sending to the Salesforce. For example, you are entered wrong email ID. Immediately you can get the bounce email. Same thing is happened here. Bounce email is coming. Okay. Unauthorized send action. Unauthorized means, for example, this Salesforce always accepting Gmail only, gmail.com, but it's not accepting. For example, one of the customer is there. That guy is sending the mail from yahoo.com, but these people are accepting Gmail mails from Gmail, not Yahoo. In that case, this message is coming. What is that? Unauthorized sender action. These people are accepting only Gmails, not Yahoo. In that case, again, you are sending the Yahoo, but these people are how to configure, I will tell you. So what is this means? Means you are sending the Yahoo email, but this is not accepting Yahoo. In that case, again, those people are getting discard or bounce message. Understand? This is called on-demand service. The first one is if email limit is exceeded, at that time you can inform to the customer, hey, your email is not reached to the Salesforce. Bounce message. Same like unauthorized. What is that? Your Salesforce account is accepting from address is Gmail, but you are sending the mail to from the Yahoo. So in that case, again you are getting this message. Understand? Like that, the customer is understand my email is reaches to the what is that? Salesforce or not. That is called on-demand service. Any questions? Understood? Online people understood?
Problem is the mail customer, but okay, message and reach out and problem is to reach out and
this bounce message already it is configured in the back end. The limit automatically coming. Okay.
Any future on that day, you don't change automatically next day towards that automatically sending process.
Cheyochu, but through coding. Okay. Got it, guys? Everybody. Okay. Now save it. See, guys, what is that? Email to case is enabled. That means we are successfully telling to the runtime engine, hey, runtime engine, any email is coming, you can convert to the case. Okay. But any email is coming, what is the 2 steps? Inform to runtime engine, convert to email to case. This is done. Whatever first. Okay, whenever any email is coming to the Salesforce, it is converting. That is, we are already did that. Okay, but where is the mail ID? First, you need to send the email to customer, right? That means the first step you need to create now. What is that? Create email to Salesforce. Understand? That email I am giving to all the customers. Then problem will be resolved. Understand? So, but here one more problem. What is the one more problem? These people all are India. Then I am giving DellIndiaSupport.com address. Dell India. Some people are US. We are already discussed. Then US customer care people will be supporting it. Some people are Canada. Canada people supporting it. That means in Indian people, you are giving the India support mail address. In Japan support address. In what is that? German support address. That means in the same organization, different teams are there. Different regions, different teams are there. Every team their own mail ID. That means in the Salesforce, you can create n number of mail IDs for different regions. Understand? If your customer is India, then you can give the Indian mail ID. Your customer is US, you can give the US customer care. If you open any website, guys, in the website also those people giving the respective region related, what is that? Mail address. Understand? That means you can create in the Salesforce email address n number of. Understand? I think 90% of the real-time use cases we are using this feature. If it is support related, what is that? Every project, guys, may 90% we are using this functionality. Understand? Every organization must be support project will be there. Every support project we are using this functionality. Same as it is, nothing will be changed. Okay? Yeah. Now we can understand same organization, same org, you can create n number of mail IDs. So I will create only one mail address, guys. What is the mail address? Where to create it? Under this, what is that? Routing address. That means whenever one email is coming, this email will be navigate to whom? Routing address. Routing to which address? So click on new. See, guys, here I told you, right? The Salesforce itself, there is no mail box, right? First of all, if you remember, for example, if you are creating Facebook asking email is mandatory. Why? Because if email is not mandatory, guys, then what happened? First, email is already exist. That means you are using your email address, you are doing so many transactions, right? That means you are the one person, valid person already existing in the world. In the Gmail point of view, the same mail, whenever you are creating the Facebook, it is asking you are already existing or not. That means you are the valid user or not. That's the reason whenever you sign up Facebook, it is asking one mail ID. Understand? That means using this mailbox, it is asking, okay, this guy is a valid guy. Same like that, here also we are creating mail ID to the whom? Salesforce. But you are creating it, but you are already existing or not. So that's the reason you can give your one Gmail. What is that? One Gmail box ID. Like this. Like this. First, you can give the Gmail box. But don't say it is support.com. For example, in Cognizant, whenever you are joined the company, those people giving that some Ashok at the rate of cognizant.com. But the mailbox, these people are purchasing from whom? Gmail. It is a license. That's the reason instead of Gmail, those people are giving the Cognizant. Understand? For example, I have a company. I want mailbox to my employees. Understand? My company name is IBM, for example. Now I am going to the Gmail, Google people. Hey, Google people, I need mailbox. Okay, what is the domain? Default domain is Gmail. But my what is that? My company is IBM. So give me IBM.com. So those people are converting instead of Gmail to support.com. Understand? That means this is also Gmail, guys. But domain name is, it is licensed. For example, Ashok 77 SFDC at the rate of Gmail. I want to change Gmail. Not possible. Why? It is not licensed. Our all personal mail IDs are, what is that? Free of cost. I'm asking to Gmail people, hey, Google people, can you change Ashok 77 SFDC at the rate of Gmail to, what is that? xyz.com. Not possible. Why? Why it is not possible? Why? Because XYZ is a company, the domain name. So first, in my company, IBM is existing or not? The Gmail people are checking. If it exists and you will pay some money, Then those people are giving ashok77sfdc@ibm.com. Who? Who will give you? Gmail people. Understand? Same like that. Here, first you need to give your company mail ID. These people are already taking the mail. What is that? Mailbox to Salesforce. What's that? Gmail. What is that? Here, Dell.com something. Dell.com. Why the company name is Dell? Here, India. This is the India support Dell.com. One mailbox. These people are already getting from the what is that? Gmail people. Now this mail you can give to here. Understand? If you go to Dell, the contact support. Contact us. See, call. Whenever you are calling to the respective number, contact technical support. See, identify your device. It is our device. It is not our Dell device. No thanks. See, choose my model. First, these people are valid or not, it is checking. Once it is valid, these people are giving the mail ID, you can send it, or one form is generated. You can enter the form that is called Web2 case. So, in this case, you have one mail ID, right? That mail ID you can give to here. But we don't have any mail ID. That's the reason I am adding my, what is that? Gmail account. Okay. So first, why Gmail account? Same, for example, it's a Facebook. Facebook asking mail ID, right? Why? You are valid person or not? Understand? Same like here you can give the mail address. Understand? So using this mail address, the Gmail is creating the mail to the Salesforce. This is the reference. Understand? Through this, here I am using, for example, it is already valid one. Using this, it is creating one more mailbox for Salesforce. But this mail ID depending on this. Why? This is a valid one. If it is not valid one, the Salesforce mail ID will not generate it. Understand? That's the reason in the real time we are giving the company mail ID. Now our personal mail ID. You can tell me that your mail ID. Tarun. NI. Correct? Mali marks them. Okay. So this is the, for example, this is our assuming it. We don't have the real time. What is that mailbox? That's the reason. In this case, mouse ఉందండి ఎవరి దగ్గర Okay, na? Yes. So here, instead of this India support Dell.com, I am using one personal mail ID. Why? Because we don't have this mail ID, right? Just for our learning, I am using one personal mail. Understand? So now using this, I am creating this mail to whom? Our Salesforce. Okay. Save email header, don't require. See guys, email settings, save email headers. I will tell you. Accepting email from, I told you, right? Bounce message. Accepting only the emails are coming from Gmail, then only accept it. Otherwise, don't accept. So you can add it here. Gmail.com, comma, for example, yahoo.com. Only these emails, these domains are, it is accepted. For example, someone using their company mail address, then the Salesforce will not accept. So like that, you can give the domain names. Understand? In our case, Gmail. If you don't require, like this. Okay. Now, if you want to create task as well, under case, if you want to create task as well, you can create the create task from the email. Whenever any case is generated, under that task also, if you want, you can add it. Not started, one task also created. Now see, we are already informed to Salesforce, right? Runtime engine, hey, create the case. Who is the case owner? Whenever runtime engine asking, whenever any email is come to here. So who is the case owner? Case owner should be, for example, by default, anything. Otherwise, queue or any user you required, you can add it. Otherwise, default user is created. Next, case priority. Case priority, whenever any email is coming, that is a high priority. Case origin. Case origin, what is the case origin? Email. So like that, it is mapping. The remaining fields, subject, description, bodies, description, everything will be automatically mapped. So here, whenever any email is coming, one task is created, one case is created. Okay, save it. Routing name. What is the routing name? For example, here, India support. India support. That's it. What is that? This I am creating the email for India support. Okay. Or Dell India support. I am creating the mail. What is that? Dell in all are small, right? Dell India support. This is the mail name. How it is generated, we'll see. Understand, guys? Here I am giving the valid mail address. This is the Salesforce mail address. What is that? Dell India support. It is accepting only Gmails. And whenever any mail is coming, task is one case is created. Case priority is high. Case origin is email. User is login user something. Then under that one task also created. Okay, save it. This email routing address will not be activated until it is verified. Why? See, here you are giving the mail. Then you are tell to the system, hey, please create one mail for this name. First, who will create the mail, guys? Not Salesforce, Gmail. Why you are using the Gmail, right? The Gmail is whenever you are creating it. For example, if you are creating Gmail also, it is asking reference mail ID. Understand? So now the Gmail is checking this name already existing or not. If it is not existing, and first it is sending, what is it? Verify this is valid or not. This email is valid or not. How it is valid or not? For example, you are entered, what is that? Username and password in the HDFC, right? In some other location. Simple. Our Salesforce also, you are entered in your home, username and password. It is sending one verification code. Same like that, Gmail is sending one verification code to this guy. That verification code you need to add here. Then only, oh, this guy is valid. Then using this guy reference, I will create this mail for Salesforce. That's what did Salesforce, sorry, Gmail. Understand, guys? It is very, very easy functionality, but understand backend, how it is thinking. Understand? Okay, what is that? If you click on save, email is not generated. First, this is hand over to Google. Google people checking, Google runtime engine checking. First, who is referred? This guy is referred. To whom? This email address. First, Gmail is asking, hey, this guy is valid or not? How? It is sending one verification code. If this email is correct, then that guy mailbox one verification code is coming. That verification code you can enter here. Okay, this is valid and the verification code also valid. Then it is trying to create the one more mail to your Salesforce. Who? Gmail. Understand? Understand? But here verification code is getting a little bit difficult. Why? Because it's a developer functional, free of cost. We'll see. We'll pray the God. Yeah, save it. See, the email routing address will not be activated. What is the routing address? Dell India. Okay. You must verify the email address to ensure system securely. First, verify the email address. Click save, send email, specific address with the direction on the how to verify the changes. Okay. Click on OK. See, what is that? Your address, Salesforce address. This is the Salesforce mail ID. Your email, what is that? Salesforce mail ID. Super. Okay. So now, guys, 1 second. Mail in. See, guys, now for Salesforce account, what is that? This is your mail ID. SFDC mail ID. This is the mail ID. What is that? Tarun blah 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 @ blah 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 case.salesforce.com. That is the mail ID of your Salesforce account. But still it is not activated. Why? First of all, this, if it is valid, then the system is activating this mail ID. How it is activated? See, verify. If you click on verify, this guy getting one link. Okay, we'll see. Verify. An email has been sent to this guy. Okay, you can open that mail. No, not that. Here. 1 second, guys. That guy will be open the mail box. Password is kada. Any questions, guys, as of now? Anybody?
Sir, already login in the mails.
But here, that's the reason, guys. Number of routing address, I told you, India support, Japan support, and US support. So different reasons, we need different mail IDs. Understand? You can do that, but it is not a valid scenario, right? Understand? In one account, sorry, supporting service having different reasons. In that case, different email box you can use. Don't require. No thanks. Not now. Paper push. See, guys, this guy, what is that? See, support @ Salesforce. What is coming? See, Dell India support. From that, to confirm this email routing address, click this. That means Which guy email it is? Tarun. Tarun getting one link from whom? From Salesforce support. Understand? That means, hey Tarun, this email is, what is that? You are giving the new email routing address is this. So if this guy is click on this, that means, hey, I am successfully received the, what is that, notification. If you click on it, okay, that guy is open their mailbox and click in means that mail is valid. So now if I click on it, what happened here? Continue. See, it is still verified. Now see, whenever this guy click on this link, guys, don't ask me again, please repeat it. It is not possible. Okay? God grace, first time, not first time. It is a total 14 batches. This is the third time we are getting email immediately. Understand? Otherwise, it is taking 3 days, 4 days. At that time, I am using the old outs. Understand? Yeah, continue. Okay. See, he is click on it. Now see, what is that? Verified. That means this mail is verified. So the Gmail is okay. This email is correct. That means I am activating this mail. So now this email is verified. Now this is activated. Understand? Now you can share this email to your customers. What is the problem? Those people will beat you. Hey, what is the mail ID, man? Right? It is not good, right? So if you go to anywhere, guys, nobody will explain you. Why? Because this is my experience. See now. This is the mail ID, right? Copy it. First, I will check. Now see, guys. Click on it. Okay. For example, this mail I will give to one customer. Which customer? For example, Ashok is a customer. No, I will not use. 1 second. 1 second, guys. This is not yours, but I need to check in the back end. Okay. So now, is that? Now this mail I will give to these customers. These A, B, C, D customers are there, guys. In the portal, I am giving this email. So these people go to the Google or portal, copy this. What is that? This mail. And for example, the customer. 1 second. How many cases are there now? Guys, I will explain these things. This is my reference, not yours. Okay. See, guys, total. All open cases. 8. My cases. So total, guys, actually not 29 cases. I will create total cases. So I'm creating one list view, total cases. I don't want to apply any filter. See all cases. I want to see all cases. How many cases are there? 31 cases are there. Now, guys, one guy sending the email. What is the email address? This address. This long one. So now I am using Ashok. This is the Ashok mailbox. See, okay, this is the Ashok mailbox. Ashok is a customer. Short. See, Ashok. Enter that which email, not Tarun email. It is related to Salesforce. Your org, right? Here, what is that? My laptop not working. So here I want to add some description, blah, 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 blah. Customer send the mail to whom? Salesforce. Why? I am using Salesforce routing address, not personal mail ID. Whenever I am sending it, whenever this subject and body is coming, you in the email to case you are already telling to the runtime engine, convert that into case. I'm sending it. We'll see whether it is bounced or not. Send. See, successfully sending. What is the existing cases count? 31. If one more is created, 32. 31, right? It is an email function. It is not in our hand, guys. See, 32. Where is that? 00001. That means last case. Click on it. The last case come to first. 32. Click on it. What is your subject? What is subject? My laptop not working. Correct, right? In the email also you were adding my laptop not working. What is the description? See? What is the description? Blah, 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 blah. Thanks and regards, K. Ashok. It is coming. What is the case origin? This case is created from email. Status is new. Prior to we are already configured high. Done. See? Web email. What is the web email? This email is coming from which guy? Ashok 77 SFPC. Web name. Your mail, whatever name you are provided. Ashok. That's it. And also, we are creating task as well. In the Web 2 case, we are already enabled. See, task also created. So now problem will be resolved, right? Whenever anybody using that as address, case has been created in the Salesforce. Problem will be, so email to case. I'm sending the mail, then case has been created. Clear? Everybody clear? Any questions? Any questions, anybody? Guys, please respond. We'll go to next. Everybody? Please, okay? First, I'm not accepted. Okay, even though in the Salesforce that feature is not there, I'm not accepted. There is see, if you have the skill, every problem there is a solution. Even though Salesforce will not provide it. Understand? So workaround, that is called workaround is there, but that is depending on your skills, guys. Okay, yeah. Now, guys, what is the problem? If you are giving the email to all the customer, first of all, those people beat you. Hey, what is this? What is that? Mail ID, right? So that is the reason I want to shortcut this mail ID to some standard mail ID. What is the standard mail ID? India support @ Dell.com. Oh, then if anybody see this mail ID, oh, this is the Dell related support mail ID. That's it. What is that? Proper valid format. So that means you can convert the total this worst email to this shortcut form. Understand how to do that? You know the answer. Don't record Salesforce here. You know the answer. If you are applying your small brain, if you are not utilizing it, you know the answer. Don't record Salesforce. Don't record any Salesforce. Anybody? This is not, guys. If you go to Salesforce documentation, also those people will not tell you. Understand? But if you know the minimum fundamentals, you can get the answer. Don't require technical knowledge here. Anybody? Online people. And the Salesforce also, those people will not give you. Those people will use this. But as a person or as a developer, it is not good. Now you can use your common sense. Anybody? Yes, Subramaniam, good. Super. First time I'm getting the answer. Sir, could you please repeat the question? See, this email, Sajid, this email, if you're giving the customer, who is the customer? For example, Ashok is a customer. Ashok using that, what is that? Copy that email from somewhere and enter that. But this email is not looking good. It's a very big email. So if you are giving this email to someone, that guy is first asking, what is this email? So that means it is not customer friendly, user friendly. Now we can convert this email to, what is that? Proper format. What is the proper format? India support @Dell. Instead of that, I'm converting like this. Then this email I'm giving to all the people. Then it is very easy, right? So how to do that? I already got the answer. Who is that guy? Nice man. First time. Subramaniam. Yeah, nice. Anybody?
Link.
What is the link?
అది పటేల్లో పెట్టుకుని దాంట్లో లింక్ పెట్టుకుని.
ఎక్కడ పెడతారు? జీమెయిల్ అవుతుందా?
అంటే దాంట్లో కూడా లింక్ లా పెట్టడం.
Where?
దాంట్లో కూడా ఎట్లా ఉందని నాకు ఐడియా లేదు.
I will tell you one question, one scenario, then you can get the answer. For example, you have everybody having two numbers, right? One is personal, one is professional, right? One is for our girlfriend, one is for our, right? So what is that? One is Airtel, one is BSNL. You are going to, for example, ride or somewhere, okay? For example, you are in the hill station. In hill station, wherever you go, what is that? Airtel will work. Those people giving the advertisement, but it will not work, right? So in the hill station, Airtel is working. You have a BSNL, but your office mobile is, what is that? Number is BSNL. Your manager saying that, hey, wherever you are, if I am calling you, you must pick my call. But your hill station, your BSNL is not working. Then what is your approach? What is that? What is that? Forwarding. So see guys, that is the problem. Everybody, we know everything, but we are not converting that knowledge into technical. If both are, you are seeing the technical and general life, both are in same, then it is very easy. What is the option? Yes, sir. Call forwarding. What is the option? Call forwarding. This is BSNL, assuming it. This is BSNL. This is, what is that? Sorry, this is BSNL. This is Airtel. Just for understanding. If any mail is come to here, sorry, this mail, you can create this email. Who? If you are informed to Gmail people giving one email box like this. India support @Dell. Now, this email box you can tell to all the people, give to all the people. Whenever any email is, these people are using Dell India. Whenever these people are sending to this mailbox. Now here, what is that? You need to forward that mail to Salesforce. You need to forward that email to Salesforce. How to forward it? How to forward it? So in this case, what is that? Whenever someone is sending to this, what is this reference? This is the reference mail ID. Actually, in the real time, we are using Dell India something. In this mailbox, go to this mailbox. Okay. So I am giving this mail to all the people. Which people? This A, hey, use this mail. Don't use the big mail. Use this mail. This guy, use this mail. This guy, use this mail. This guy, use this mail. Now these are all the people. In the learning point of view, I'm giving this mail. In the real time, you are creating this type of mail. Okay. this mail, it is very easy format, right? So now A is using this mail. Send the what? Mail. Whenever A is send the mail to this guy, what happened? What happened? In this mailbox, what is the mailbox? Which mailbox? This guy. Tarun mailbox getting one mail. Whenever Tarun mail getting the mail, I am forwarding that mail to Salesforce. How to forwarding it? Here we don't require any Salesforce. Go to settings. Guys, this is little bit difficult. Not difficult actually. Here it will be taking more time. If it work, fine. Otherwise, it will take more time. See, forwarding. Forwarding option is there. Click on forward. Add forward. Guys, don't ask me again. Why? Because it is a one time. Okay. So click on it. Add forwarding option. That means whenever someone sending A is sending this mail, in this mailbox, what is that? Mail is coming. Which mailbox? This Tarun mailbox, mail is coming. Whenever mail is coming to Tarun mailbox, we are forwarding to Salesforce. Here, go to settings. This is the forward option. In the mail, what is the mobile? We have a forward option. Gmail also forward option is there. Here you can add that forward option. Where is the mail? Just copy it. Whenever any mail is coming to the Tarun, then that mail you can forward to this mail. Whenever customer is sending to Tarun forwarding that mail to Salesforce, automatically Salesforce, what is that? A case has been created. Understand? Now, next, but it is a little bit difficult, guys. If you click on it, again, this mail is checking, this is valid email or not. This, understand why? Because you are giving the different domain. Gmail, you are giving the Salesforce domain. Mail. Now Gmail is checking this valid or not. Again, it is sending the one verification code to this mail. But where to check the verification code in this mail? Salesforce, where to get it? If you click on it, the Gmail is checking this valid email or not. Why? It is salesforce.com. It is not Gmail. If it is Gmail, if you are forwarding Gmail to Gmail, Gmail will not check. Why? Both are same domain. Same in the button scenario. Here, in the Gmail, I am adding the salesforce.com Gmail. So now both are different domains. That's the reason first the Gmail is asking, hey, this is valid or not? If you click on it, it is sending one verification code to whom? Salesforce. But Salesforce, where to check that verification code? Previously, the link or verification code, Gmail is coming, go to inbox and check the verification code. For example, whenever you are logging the Salesforce, it is asking verification code. The verification code will be going to your Gmail. But here the verification, the Gmail is sending the verification code to this mail. This mail means Salesforce. In the Salesforce, there is no inbox. Where did you see? No. We'll see. Click on next. But it is taking, maybe, may not be, guys. If it not work, you can try. It should work, but it's Gmail to Gmail, right? We'll see. Man, party. Google wants to make sure, yes. Okay, we'll see. What is that? Forwarding mail to. This mail is forwarding mail to this guy. Where did you see that mail? In the Salesforce, there is no mailbox. That is the problem. Salesforce, see, the Gmail is asking forwarding mail to blah, 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 case.salesforce.com. That means this is our org. Within the org, where did you see the mail? Understand? We'll see. Here, what is this? Case.salesforce. That means in the case, proceed. Okay. Now see, guys. Go to Salesforce. Where is the case? How many cases are there previously? 32. Now see, one more case has been created. but it will be taking lot of time. If it's not work, we'll see later. Hmm? 32, it will be taking some time. Okay, once it is created, one case has been created. Within the case, in the description, the verification code is coming. But here, see, I think it should not. See, verify, blah, 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 blah. It is verifying, but we are not getting, we'll see. If we are getting one mail, within that link or something is coming. But it will be taking a lot of time, guys. Maybe sometimes it is taking more than 1 day or 2 days as well. Okay, so one link is coming. I think in the old docs it should be there. One case is created. Within the case, here, where in the description, that link is coming. If you click on the link again, what is that? This is verified. Understand? This is verified. Then you can give the, what is this? This guy mail ID. What is the mail ID? This is the one. This mail ID to all the customer people. Then those people using this mail and sending the mail, then that mail is come to where? That mail is come to here. Whenever that mail is come to here, any email is come to here, then immediately call forward. That means forward message, sending that same mail to Salesforce. Why? Already forward option is enabled. So now case has been created. Okay, guys, this is the way of approach. Understand? Any questions? Anybody? It will be taking some time, guys. After that, you can. Just. So that is the reason here we are not using personal mail. Instead of this mail, we are using company mail. That is the reason. What is that? We are creating one mailbox. What is that? We are the company people giving that India support@Dell.com. Within the Dell.com, you are forwarding that. So Dell.com is a company mail, not personal mail. So problem will be resolved. This is all about approach, guys. Nobody will explain you in the document wise. This is up to your knowledge. How you are. This option will not available. What is that in the Salesforce? In the document also nobody will tell you. This is I'm working here, so that's it. I know what is the workaround. Understand? Any questions, guys? Sir, if same customer sending email, then it will go to existing case or new case will be created. Good question. So new case has been created. For that is the different scenario, email threading concept, but it is advanced. Okay, we are not covered that. If you go to what is a service console, then that is a different Srini. Okay, the question was here. Ashok is a customer. See, guys, here Ashok already sending the what is that one mail. I'm not using the personal mail, guys. I'm using why? Because it is not activated still. I'm using here. This guy is asking iPhone issue. Switched off. I'm sending it. Ashok already sending. What is that? Laptop one. Again, I'm sending this. Then already my case is there. Again, I'm sending it means again one more case has been created. Understand? But there is a scenario, but it's very, very advanced, guys. Recent feature also coming. Ashok already laptop issue is there, right? He's already sending. See here, 1 second. Now iPhone issue, right? We'll say iPhone case has been created or not. See 33. iPhone 33. Okay. So now two mails Ashok sending to the Salesforce. Two cases are there. One is laptop, one is mobile. For example, Ashok asking, hey, what is happening on what is that? This case. What is this? iPhone, iPhone issue. I didn't get any response. After 1 day, I want to tell that, hey, what is happening in my case? I didn't get any reply. In that case, what is the use? You can, this is the one, iPhone. In the same email, you can reply it. But we'll see what happened. This issue. We'll see what happened. Whether one more case is created or within the same mobile, this is coming. iPhone, huh? iPhone, we'll see. Total, how many cases? 33, yeah? 33. Not created. Why? I am replying it. This is my current story actually. Okay. Now you are sending one more mail, right? What happened? Email is coming. Recent iPhone issue. That is the benefit of what is that? In the same case, creating one more task. In the other way, there is one more option is there. I don't know in the developer it will be available or not. What happened? One charter is created. What is that? What happened to this issue? Previously, switched off issue, iPhone issue. Whenever you are reply that same email, the charter feed also created. Understand? That means same case, you can send n number of reply, then n number of charter feeds are created. That means the customer, the end user, sorry, the customer care guy getting the notification. Why it is a charter feed? Understood, man? Srini? Understood? Guys, please reply. I need to complete this today. Okay. Now, one more. One more. For example, understand these guys send the mail to customer care means he already purchased the product, right? Guys, these all are scenarios, not like what is that question and answers. You can think, okay, in this way, what happened? In this way, what happened? We are discussing. I'm not telling. We are discussing the scenarios. For example, here, guys, this guy already purchased the mobile. That is the reason he raised the case. I don't have any product. How I am raising the case, right? So he already purchased means his information already there in the customer care, right? For example, where that guy information will be there, in which object that guy information will be there, which object? The contact. Why? He's a person. So in the person, what is that? The contact information is there. For example, now see here, contact name not there. Why contact name not there? Why? Because whenever email is coming, the runtime engine checking what is that? This guy related contact is there or not? How it is checking? How it is checking? The unique identity is mail ID. Whenever I am sending the mail, what is the from address? My from address, Ashok 77 SFDC. I am sending from here to there. So now, whenever one email is come to Salesforce, first, what is the email ID? Ashok 77. Within the Ashok 77, it is going to the contact. Going to the, guys, these all are little bit advanced, but it is a real time. Go to contacts. Where is the contacts? This is the contacts. Within the contacts, Ashok 77 SFDC is there or not? Mail address. Checking. See? Control F, Control V. It is there? No. That means the person is not there. The person not there means that is the reason contact is empty. For example, Ashok 77 person is there. For example, see in the next use case. Who is this guy? Lauren Boyle. Okay. Lauren Boyle mail address is my mail address. That means Ashok 77 SFDC mail belongs to who is the guy? Lauren Boyle. Understand? Now, whenever Ashok sending one email now, not Ashok actually, what is that address? This email address I want to. There is the routing address. Now, whenever I am sending the mail to from Ashok 77 SFDC, what is that here? iPad issue, blah, 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 blah. Okay. Who is sending? Not Ashok. Ashok 77 SFDC mail. Okay. The email is coming from Ashok 77 SFDC. Whenever it is sending it, first I'm sending it. The email is coming from where? Ashok 77 SFDC. Immediately, runtime engine going to contacts. Why? Mail ID where it is there? Contacts. In the contact, Ashok 77 SFDC is there? There. In the contacts already there. Ashok 77 SFDC. This is belongs to whom? Lauren Boyle. So that means in the case, whatever case has been created, within the case, this Lauren Boyle is updated. And within the case, what is the account? Lauren Boyle account. United Oil and Gas is automatically updated. We'll see. 34. Next case. 34. See, Lauren Boyle is coming. United Oil and Gas is coming. Previously, it is not coming. Why? The email is not there. Now that email is belongs to Lauren Boyle. Oh, this email coming from Lauren Boyle. Lauren Boyle account is automatically updated. Understand how the system is understand this email is belongs to which contact. So many people don't know this feature. It is not a feature. Those people don't know how to utilize it. Understand? If that email is in the contact is exist, that contact is automatically populated, and contact having any account, that account also automatically populated. For example, you are entering new email, some xyz@gmail. XYZ, if it is there, the contact is coming. XYZ email contact not there, it is blank. Understand? Online people clear? Online people clear, offline as well. It is a half an hour concept. We have more than 1.5 hours. Everybody clear? Okay. Last scenario. For example, boring, guys? All are sleeping, boring, huh? Again, I want to send the, hey, see this. This is my subject. Hey, see this, some, for example, blah, blah, blah. Now my requirement is, I want to attach file, right? I want to sending one file. I want to sending this file. So this file, what is that? Using the subject and using this body, case is created. If this email is exist, contact and associate account is populated. But what about this file? File also I want to sending to the case. Then please add here and I mean please add that file to the attachments. Understand? By default, it will not work. In the email to case, if you want to send the file, it will not work. In that case, go to email to case again. Within that, what is that? Save email to case attachments. This checkbox must be enabled. Then only it should work. What is that? Save email to case. Save it. Understand? If you want to accept the files as well in the email to case, that checkbox, like that, the different scenarios, guys. Okay, all are not possible to explain. Understand? The basic things are this, not basic things, it is also advanced. Now we'll see we are enabled. What is that? Attachments in the email to case. Now I have added this sheet 1. Hey, see this, send it. One mail is one email to convert to case. Within the case, first it is checking that email related contact is there or not. If it is there, updated. If contact having account is there or not. If account is there, it is updated on the case and task is created. And now extra feature, what is that? Attachment file. We'll see. Okay, see this. Okay. Now movie will starts. Where is the attachments? Where is the attachments? We are already enabled. We are doing everything right, but attachments will not work. If it is a document is somewhere. That document belongs to this case. How do you know? Attachment here. If you are add the attachment, okay, this attachment belongs to this case. Understand why it is not working? So in the classic, this feature is not there. It is deprecated. Understand? This feature will be available in the Lightning. Understand? So here previously we are storing these attachments, every file in the attachment object. But these people are deprecate the attachment object and created one more, what is that? Object called content version. That is called, don't require the versions and everything. Files, simple. So we are using files object. Understand? The files object is not available under this case here. If you are using a classic, in the classic, the attachments will not work out with the help of what is that? Email to case. Now the same case. What is the case? 1035. Go to Lightning. Understand why I am telling the classic now? Understand? So this is the subject. Don't jump to the Lightning directly. Now, see here. See in the feed. This is the email. Under that attachment is coming. But I want see in the related list. Here related list in the down right. Here this is the related. See open activity. These are the email. Blah 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 blah. See attachments. Here it is working. Understand? The same concept in the classic is not working. It is deprecated. In the Lightning, working. Understand the difference? So that is the reason the real time, guys, somewhere some feature is not working, somewhere it is working. You know, you can understand that feature. Okay, where it is working, why it is, so you can remember those concepts. Clear, everybody? Online people, clear? Okay. Yeah, that's it, guys. This is the what? Email to case. Guys, lead assignment, there is no notes actually. I'm preparing the notes. Okay. This is, and the previous one I will share today. Okay. I will modify something and share with you today. So this is the email to case functionality done, guys. Any question? Sorry, I'm asking one question, guys. What is the relationship between account and contact? Previously, I'm asking, right? 2 days time. Anybody? Any genius people? We didn't discuss, man. You can tell me. What is the answer? What is the answer? Tell me. Huh? Online people. Huh? What is the no cascading means?
And it works like both
Yes.
detail and lookup.
So that is what is that? Mixed relationship. Some cases it is lookup, some cases it is a master. If you are, what about that? If you are not adding the contact, then it should be saved. Sorry, in the contact in the account, if you go to contact, guys, if you go to contact, in the contact, it seems like lookup. Why? Guys, class is over. If you want to leave, you can leave it. Why? Because it is 9:38. That's the reason. Contact. See? Every contact account is optional. In this case, it's lookup. Whenever account is deleted, all contacts deleted. In that case, it is a master. That is the reason account and contact, it is behaving both. That's the reason it is a mixed relationship. What is that? Mixed. Some cases, what is that? In this case, without account, we can store it. That means it is lookup. But whenever you are deleting particular account, all contacts are deleted. If you delete the parent, all sales are deleted. That means in that case, it is a master relationship. So that is the reason. What is that? It is a mixed relationship. Okay. Yesterday also, I'm asking on Friday evening. I'm asking 8 years of experience. She is from Delhi. Okay. Same question, guys. What is that? She didn't tell that answer. In the last interview, she is asking what is the answer, sir. Okay. You can try. Okay. Yeah. So that's it, guys. Any questions? Anybody? So, sir, one second. If we get the question, we have answered with the scenario saying the both the relationship. Yeah, you can tell that. See, whenever anybody asking in the UI point of view, without account, you can create a contact. In that case, what is that? Account relationship. In the contact point of it is behaving like act like a lookup. Whenever any account is deleted, parent is deleted, all contacts are deleted. In that case, it is act like a master. That is the reason some scenarios it is acting like a lookup, some scenarios it is a master. That's the reason we call it is a mixed relationship. Understand, Sajid? Yeah. Any feedback, guys, as of now? Is it understood or not? Anybody? Any questions? Everything good or bad or worst? Anything is fine. Guys, give me the feedback, guys. Enough, sir. Huh? Good enough, sir. Okay. Going really good. Thank you. Anybody? Why? Because depending on that, I'm changing my approach, guys. That's it. Okay. Thank you, guys. So today, I will share that except lead assignment rules, I will share remaining documents. Okay. Maybe within like 5 to 6 days, admin will be completed. Then we'll go to coding. Meanwhile, please complete all the things with scenarios. Whenever you are practicing it, listen my class and practicing it. Okay. And you can note down the interview questions and everything in the proper way. Okay. So it is very, very helpful. I have a gap, so better explain little slow and more explanation. Okay. Okay. Thank you, guys. Thank you so much. We'll see you tomorrow. Okay. Before we are jump to the Apex, within 1 week, we will go to coding. Before that, please complete admin parts. This is enough, guys. Don't go to Google and sir, that is concept. Don't require, to be honest. If you know this, the remaining all are optional. Understand? It is enough. Thank you. Not now. Okay. Yeah. Thank you.